to
Robot Jones. Robot Jones.
My mom
My
is
dad's
so
such a
embarrassing.
dork.
She
He
thinks
tells me
it's
how to
so
mow the
cool.
lawn, but he doesn't know how to do it in
Parents.
Oh boy. Oh boy. My favorite television transmission.
Son, please pass the beat.
Here you go, Dad.
So tell me, son, how are things at school?
Swell, Pop.
It is time for your daily refueling.
Not no mom unit. Can't you see I am attempting to view the television? Sheesh.
If you are to continue expanding your memory banks, you will need your daily fuel.
More peas, son? No thanks, Mom. I'm full.
Why can't you function more like the mom unit portrayed on television? Sigh.
What do you say, son? How's about you and me toss the old bean around?
Swell.
Zoinks.
Time for your system check. Time for your system check. Time for your system check.
Dad unit, please. I am fully capable of running my own systems check. This is highly embarrassing. Please, Dad unit. You will make me late for school.
I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Morning, Mr. Jones.
State the nature of your business.
Yeah. It's somewhere up here.
Inefficient, inefficient, inefficient.
Ah!
Dad unit, please stop being such a dork. Oh no. Great. Now I missed my bus.
I will take you.
No, Dad unit. Hooray. Stop.
Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Make way. Make way. Make way.
Sassafras and robot drivers! Oh, my sideburns!
Dad unit, please, to avoid further embarrassment, please set me down. I can walk to school.
Jenkins, here. Jones.
Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Good morning, Mrs. Raincoat.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Please accept my apologies. My Dad unit's programming is slightly outdated.
Well, it certainly is a lovely day. Alrighty then. Now that that's over, let's open our books to page 12. Great English Poets of the 18th Century.
PTC, this formula is not in my memory banks.
Total dud, Robot. PTC stands for Parent Teacher Conference Night. Our moms and dads come in and talk to the teachers. I just hope my folks don't embarrass me.
I'm still recovering from last year's embarrassment.
My parents cannot interface with my teachers. My embarrassment levels are already rising. This is unacceptable. I don't even want to extrapolate the consequences.
Conference complete.
No.
Well, this little outburst will reflect badly on all of you come Thursday night.
Mom unit, what are you doing?
We are running low on oil. I am drilling in an attempt to obtain more.
You are scaring the next door neighbors.
Never mind the houseplants, just get in the car!
Get it!
Mom and Dad units, this Thursday, you will need to attend conferences with my teachers to discuss my progress at school.
This is exciting. Human interface.
Sigh. If you wish to attend, you must let me upgrade your human protocol programming.
Agreed.
Let's start with human greetings.
Nice to meet you.
This is hopeless. Here.
This This receiving device clashes with my design.
There is not enough time to update your programming manually. I will have to transmit instructions with this.
Greetings, welcome. Hello there, Billy. Evening, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. The Joneses. Oh, no, not the Joneses. Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Jones.
Extremely pleasurable to meet you, Mr. Human Principal.
Likewise, I'm sure.
Jones, come here.
Yes, sir.
Your parents may be polite, but they're still robots. I've got my eye on you. No funny business.
Yes, sir. Mom, Dad.
That's their son.
Please do not leave my side again.
Hey, Robot. This is my mom and dad. This is my buddy, Robot Jones. Howdy there.
And, this must be Mr. and Mrs. Jones?
May I compliment you on your lovely attire?
Oh, why, thank you. And that's a very interesting brooch you have on.
You don't think it clashes with my design?
No, not at all.
May I have your attention? Welcome to Parent-Teacher Conference Night. A night for parents to find out what their kids are up to here. And for you kids to sweat it out while they do. It's gonna be a long car ride home for some of you. So if we could get started by getting the parents out to the classrooms, and you kids stay right where you are. Don't get any funny ideas. Clancy will be keeping his good eye on you while you wait.
No, this is unacceptable. Wait,
Hey there, fella. Where do you think you're going?
I must be within 30 feet of my parents in order for my remote protocol transmitter to function.
You'll have to play with your proto-what's-it-funkifier in here. Come on now.
Oh, this is so bad. My parents are out of range.
I wish my parents would go out of range.
Tell me about it. You know what a total dork my dad is?
Okay, let's see. Who's next? Mr. and Mrs. Jones, you may come in now. Mr. and Mrs. Jones.
After you, Jones.
Pleasure to see you again, Mr. Jones.
Hello, human.
Now, your son is doing very well in English, but his poetry is a little dry. Here, have a look.
If love is greater than x, go to 2. If x equals a plus 1, print love. There. I have destroyed my son's offensive poetry.
Thanks.
English conference complete. Next conference, next conference, next conference.
Wait! This time try using the door.
Well, as you can see, your son is really excelling in my math class. In fact, he's testing well above college level.
This does not compute. Our son is programmed to operate at genius level.
Well, I suppose there's always a room for improvement, of course, but I'm not quite sure what else to assign him. He's already solved every problem in every math book I own.
Our son's data input is suffering from your inefficient teaching methods.
Inefficient, inefficient, inefficient.
Hey, that's school property.
Warning. Perimeter security threatened. Defense mode activated.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. And don't forget, I have the combination to all your lockers.
School Safety Patrol, please report to room 112.
Safety Patrol? That's me! Now, where'd my safety helmet get to? Aha! You kids sit tight. There might be trouble.
Oh, no.
Help! Oh, help!
What is going on? Oh my goodness!
What did you do to provoke them? All I said was their son could use a little improvement.
Safety Patrol reporting, sir.
They've got 2 of my best pinned down in there.
Those nasty mice out again? I'll take care of them.
No, wait!
Don't fret. Safety Patrol is here. Time for for me to get going. Why didn't you tell me it was robots?
My mom still makes me wear pajamas with feet. Oh, I was just kidding about the pajamas.
Robot Jones, report to my office immediately to pick up your parents.
My embarrassment levels are reaching critical. How did the conference go?
How did it go? How did it go? I shudder to think what would have happened if Clancy hadn't found their off switches. I hope you're happy, Robot Jones. This school will be closed for months thanks to those mechanical menaces you call parents. Now, turn them back on and get off my campus!
Thank you, Mr. Human Principal, for a lovely evening.
Mind your blood pressure.
I hope you're happy. Your lack of human protocol has ruined my social life.
There he is!
Oh, no.
Man, Robot, your parents are like totally the coolest ever.
Data log entry. Tonight I learned that although most teenagers are embarrassed by their parents, each family is unique in its own way. What's embarrassing to one may seem cool to another. I am proud to be the son of the coolest parents ever, and that my pajamas don't have feet.